Paul Bello here with an update on Lit RPG Adventures, a collection of advanced AI tools for tabletop RPG or writers. We're going to be looking at the Scratchpad, and I have had the opportunity to hook it up to ChatGPT API, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Doing a whole bunch of more tests here. This is one. I basically gave it book notes and chapter 1 outline, including exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution for the chapter. And then what I did is included those. First side thing. Instead of a certain number of attachments, what I am going to do is actually calculate the number of tokens. So you'll be able to get right up to 3,000 or 3,500 tokens in the prompt. That way you can get, at least 500 back. So if we just do a quick test here, I still got to work the rest of the counting and stuff into it. But you can see after we generate what we just generated, a lone mage, we're at about 1,100 tokens, and then the other tokens are from the prompt that I have in the background to actually get the halfway decent output. So let's see if we can get it to do a dialogue with a resolution in fantasy lit RPG. First person present tense, we'll keep that, and then we'll add that. See, what it does now is still adding, or is still counting. Okay, you're adding 2 memories to this. So what I have to do is when you click on this, instead of calculating how many you've clicked, I got to calculate how many tokens this text is. So I have a way to do that. I just got to hook it up. Anyway, let us do a lone mage again with dialogue and see what we get. We get some dialogue, and it's actually pretty long. Whoa, 21,000. We got problems there too, but I'm working on it. Trust me, I'm working on it. But you can see we asked for dialogue, and we get I don't know, 200-300 words of dialogue. And then the idea would be that if you have characters that you want in the scene, all you would have to do is add them here, blah blah blah, character info about Johnny Johnson, and then you add that, and then you would add that memory, and then hopefully talks to John, or you could just do it here. But if it has, if you put this in, it's going to have more contextual information to generate the new output. So I don't like that. I don't like that it has double line breaks there. And that still broke. But the output of ChatGPT API seems to be a little better. I'm still tinkering. I have all 5 parts of the narrative arc that you can put in. Of course, the writing style. Let's do a scene this time. The Lone Mage meets Johnny. And I'll take that one off. So I still got some more work to do, but we're getting a lot closer. I think it's looking a little better. And you can see it switched to a scene that's hopefully nostalgic. One of the problems I'm having, that I have a few ideas to work on, is it always tries to do a beginning, middle, and end rather than just a specific node or scene. I'm getting it a little better at that. If you actually, that was the one I was on. If you actually look at, let's see, yeah. Using those book notes from earlier, I did generate it, and you can see all I did was put in, the loose notes of the outline, and then it gives me 200 or 300 words. Loose notes of the outline, 200 or 300 words. Loose notes of the outline, 200 to 300 words, and so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted it up earlier, 1,600 words, so about 400 words each time you hit the button. That's the other thing. The price is going to be a lot lower because the cost of the ChatGPT API is 90% lower than GPT 3.5. So yeah, I'll be working on the price. I'll be working on the memories so that you can add up to 3 to 3,500 tokens rather than just a set number of them. But all in all, I think we're getting a lot closer to having a really useful tool. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, praise, feedback, criticism, anything like that, leave a comment, like the video, share it, and I'll be back soon with more. Thanks for your time.